Hello, myself Shivangi Lohmi. I'm a legal intern at Lexis & Company. I'm from Yashwantrao Chavan Law College, Pune, Maharashtra. Today my topic is Actus Reus under IPC. To constitute a crime, that the third element, which we have called wrongdoing, or which Russell has termed as physical event, is necessary. Now, what is this actus reus? It's a physical result of human conduct. When criminal policy regards such conduct as sufficiently harmful, it's prohibited, and therefore the criminal policy provides sanction or penalty for its commission. The wrongdoing could also be defined within the words of Kenny to be such results of human conduct because the law seeks to stop. Such human conduct may consist of acts of the commission also as acts of omission. Section 32 of our legal code lays down words which ask acts done extend also to illegal omissions. It is of course necessary that the act done or omitted to be done must be an act forbidden or commanded by some legislation. Otherwise, it's going to not constitute a criminal offense. Suppose an executioner hangs condemned prisoner intending to hang him. Here all three elements are present. Yet the wouldn't be committing a criminal offense because he is acting under a law enjoining him to act. So also if a surgeon within the course of an operation which he knew to be dangerous with the simplest of his skill and care performs it and yet the death of the patient is caused, he wouldn't be guilty of committing a criminal offense because he had no malice aforethought to commit it. Types of actus reus. Action crimes. The wrongdoing in action crime is just an act, the result of which are immaterial. For example, perjury is committed whenever someone makes a press release which they are doing not believe to be true while an oath. Whether or not that statement makes a difference to the trial isn't as important as to if the offense of perjury has been committed. Result crimes. There are many samples of result crimes, several which are manslaughter, murder, wounding, etc. Conduct crimes. Arrangement of offences into conduct crimes and result crimes may occasionally seem awkward and futile. According to section 32 of IPC, the term act includes illegal omission also. Thus, actus is constituted when a person does something that he is not supposed to do under law or omits to do something that he is legally obliged to do. For example, if A's neighbor dies of starvation, he is not liable for failure to feed him. But if he lets his wife or child who is totally dependent on him to die of starvation, he will be held liable for non-performance of his legal duty to provide for their sustenance. Actus to be voluntary. The common law proposition actus me in vitro factus non est mens actus means an act done by me against my will is not my act at all. According to section 39 of IPC, a person is said to cause an effect voluntarily when he causes it by means whereby he intended to cause it or by means which at the time of employing those means he knew or had reason to believe to be likely to cause it. This video doesn't solicit any types of promotion or advertisements as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India, and the sole purpose of this video is for educational purposes only. Please like, share and comment on my video and do subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.